Hello and welcome back to Push Notifications with AngularJS and WordPress. We have successfully configured our Ionic application to register with GCM. So if you try and run your application right now, it will register with GCM and it will alert you the data it receives from GCM. Okay, and we are not testing this right now. We will test it as a whole when everything is done. So let's head over to a controller, and I'll just head over to my menu controller, which is actually the first controller that is loaded. And before anything else happens in that controller, I'm gonna specify the root scope.on method, which will bind a method to the event, which is actually called Cordova push notification received. Okay, so this is the name of the event that we are watching, and the function that we are trying to execute whenever this event is detected. And this function will take two parameters. The first parameter will be the name of the event, and the second parameter will be the notification itself. Okay, so right now what we will do, we will just alert everything here as well, and I'll make sure that we do not get confused. So I'll just type result here and stringify all the JSON data that we receive. I'll stringify all the JSON data that we are receiving because notification is a JSON object, and I'm just alerting everything. So this way, if you try to send a notification, you do not know how to send a notification, I'm going to tell you that in a moment. This is actually the method that will be called every time you receive a notification. Okay, and why will you receive a notification? Because you have registered with Google Cloud Messaging using this method right here. Okay, so this is pretty much for this video. In the next video, we will run this application on a real device, and we will see how we see these alerts inside our application.